Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting tutorial on this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to create this trending bridal hand fan from scratch. So please be sure to watch the entire video to the end so that you understand the whole process. The materials I'm going to be needing are organza fabric. I'm using this shiny type. I'm also going to be needing some trimmings. Then I'll be needing my hand fan base. I created this hand fan base from scratch and I have a tutorial on this YouTube channel. I'm going to link the video up there so you go ahead and watch the video. Then I'm also going to be needing my pen, scissors to cut, UHU gum, hot glue gun, measurement tape. Then I'll be needing carton, cardboard or carryboard to cut out my pattern. So I have my organza fabric cut out already. I'm going to show you the measurement I used. So the length measures 11.5 inches and the width is 4 inches. So I have my hemi gum. I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, we'll be needing hemi gum. So I'm going to place that. Okay, so I feel I have to change my background so that you can see what I'll be doing on the screen properly. So I'm going to place the hemi gum on the fabric like that. I will just use it to line the fabric like that. I will get another one and I would also cut and place on that like that. Now I'm going to get another organza fabric and place the fabric on it like so. Then I will get my iron. You want to ensure that your iron is very hot. So I'm going to iron this down. To get the best result, I would advise you use steam iron. My other flip iron was not doing the job, so I have to get this particular one. And another thing is that your iron has to be very hot. Okay, so I will iron this and straighten that to just melt the hemi gum onto the fabric like that. So I'm going to double this because I want it to be thick. I'll get the hemi gum again and I'm going to place that on the fabric and line the fabric with it like that. Now I'll take the third fabric, I'll place it on it like so, and then I'm going to iron it down with the iron. So this is what I've got. I'm going to be cutting out the appliques from this. So I'll get my pattern. Okay, so to get your pattern, you're going to get your cardboard, your carryboard, or your carton, and you are going to cut or draw at the shape that you want. So it could be a round shape, it could be a triangular shape, or any shape of your choice. So once you are done, you are going to trim out that shape, and that is the shape that you are going to be cutting out from the organza fabric. So I'll use my scissors to cut that out, and can you see? So you could go with any shape of your choice. I already have my cut out already because this is the shape I'm going to be using. So I'm going to place that on the organza fabric, and I will trace that out with my pen, after which I'm going to cut that out. So I'm going to be having 6 cutouts from this particular fabric. Now I'm going to repeat same process to get more cutout like this. I also went ahead to get a shorter one with this particular pattern. I will set this aside now, and I'm going to be cutting this particular trimmings, which I'm going to be using to line the edges of the applique. So another option that you have is cup-chains. Depending on your budget or the preference of your client or customer, you can use cup-chain. So after cutting this out, I'm going to get my gum. I'll be using the USU gum. You could use your E6000 gum or E7000 gum. So I will apply the gum on that tip or the edges of the applique, and I'm going to use that to line the applique round like that. Now that I have my appliques ready, I'm going to be attaching it to the base of the hand fan. So for the sake of those that would want to use my exact measurement or the exact length, the length of this applique is 3.5 inches and the width is about 2 inches. So I'll get my hot glue gun because I'm going to be using my hot glue gun to attach that down. So I will apply the gum to the back of the applique like so, and I'm going to arrange that. I'm going to place that on here. So you have to be very careful when you are placing this, or you have to be very strategic about it. Okay, so you don't just go ahead and start placing like that. You have to calculate how you are going to be placing this, or the outcome of it. So you are going to watch closely how I'm going to place this. Okay. So at the end of this video, I'm going to review the exact quantity of materials that I used to make this particular hand fan. So I'll go ahead and keep placing my applique like that. And once I'm done with this first layer, I will also go ahead and start placing on the other layer. If you have made it this far to this part of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please endeavor to click on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Also give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section of this video. Now I'm going to get the shorter applique and I will apply my gum like that, and then I'm going to place it around. Okay, so now I'll flip over to the back and I'm going to be repeating the same process to cover it up with the applique. But you have to ensure that when you are placing yours at the back that it aligns with what you are having on the front, or is the same length with what you are having on the front. So once I'm done placing this on both front and back, I'm going to go in with my appliques. Or my trimmies. So I will apply gum on the trimmies like that, and then I'm going to place it on my work. Okay, so for the first layer I placed 14. I actually wanted to place 14, 12 and 10 like that, but I ended up placing 14, 11, and the last layer, which is the shorter applique, I placed 9. So on both front and back I have 68 appliques in total. And then for the other fabric that I used to get my cut out, the 11 inches by 4 inches fabric, I cut out, or after ironing I used 12 of that. Okay, so after ironing them with the gum, I ironed out 12 of that, and that was what I used to get my cutout and my appliques. So I bought 2 yards of organza fabric and I did not exhaust the 2 yards I bought. I think I used about 1.5 yards or thereabouts. I would advise you just buy 2 yards, so when you have some excess you could use that for something else. Then for the gum, I used 2 gum for this work or for this project because I actually doubled that. You saw that when we were working on the appliques. Okay, so now I'm going to get my beads. You could get your stones, your stud, your whatever you want to use to embellish this. I'm going to be using beads. Okay, so I'll get my bead, and I would also get fishing line, otherwise known as invisible thread. I will thread that with my beading needle. So I will tie one tip of the fishing line, then I'm going to pass it through the back of the applique, and I will insert the bead and then pass the beading needle to the back of the applique like that, and then I'm going to tie. So this I will continue to embellish this with my beads. I forgot to mention the quantity of the trimmings I use. I mean the gold trimmings I used to line the edges of the applique. I bought 1 yard of that, and that was what I used for this project. Then the beads, I'm using about 2 strands of beads to embellish the hand fan. For those that would be interested in learning more on hand fans, better accessories and other headwears like hats, fascinator, I'm going to drop the link of our Telegram group on the description box, so you could go ahead and join the group on Telegram. If you got value from this video, please endeavor to give this video a thumbs up and also drop a nice comment for us in the comment section of this video. So this is the finished look of our trending bridal hand fan. Thank you so much for watching this video.